Eyeglass repair cleaner kit. Nose pad, screws, screwdriver, microfiber brush for reading prescription, sport sunglasses, eyewear maintenance. Small. Eyeglass repair kit combo. The approximately 38-piece kit has most commonly used screws and repair pieces for reading glasses and sunglasses in small little case to carry. All-inclusive glasses repair kit, all-in-one Phillips and flat screwdriver heads with different screws for each. Kits also have special plain round head friction screws that fit in the end of screwdriver, so no matching of slots is needed and tighten simply with friction. Faster, easier repairs. Must have nose pad, spacer, screws, and tools for small nuts included. Key chain screwdriver if you wanted to keep it out of its case. Great value. Reading eyeglass repair kit bundle for 2. So if you buy this off of Amazon, it's $7.27.